What is going on, everyone? Welcome to Supernova Zona YouTube stream. I am your host, Zona, and so glad you guys are here. I apologize. Let me show my face so you guys can see me. Hey, what is up, you guys? So glad you guys are here. Let me put the music down a bit. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys, for starting a bit late today. I got caught up in a meeting. I got caught up in a last minute meeting, and yeah, I didn't realize. I didn't realize it was Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. It wasn't until someone, like, one of my subscribers hit me up like, hey, are you going live? And I'm like, oh shoot, it's Friday. Yes, I am going live. So shout out to, you know who you are. Thank you so much for reminding me. But yeah, we are live. I'm meeting up. But yeah, happy Friday, everybody. I hope everyone's having a great day. Let me know if you did anything cool, anything fun today. What did I do today? I studied a bit, played some video games. I'm not gonna lie, I played some Overwatch with a friend, and then I studied, and we're about to do more coding tonight. Yeah, it was pretty chill. Doing some research. I was able to have a good chat with a friend of mine in the tech community. Shout out to Izzy. We had a cool conversation today about some potential projects. Hopefully, I think that'll be dope. Let me post in the Discord that I am live right now, so people can know I'm live. Right now. But what is up, you guys? How's your days going? Hope you guys had a blessed day. And yeah, today was a pretty cool day. I can't complain. I'm blessed to be alive. That's not a lot of people are alive right now, you know, and if you are, it's a blessing, man. So yeah. All right, I'm gonna go into my group chat because they're in there chatting away. All right, guys, we are live. Woo. And but yeah, I was just chatting about my day to chat. And yeah, how are your Fridays doing?
Thanks, my friend.
Alright, guys, we are live. Are you guys there? Hello?
Yeah, I'm here.
Oh, like, am I talking to myself?
Louis went to go get something to snack while he was hungry.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Yeah.
I got you.
Right, I'm ready to learn. I got my Starbucks.
Ooh, what'd you get?
I got the dragon fruit lemonade. I was feeling kind of lemony today.
Ooh, fancy.
Yeah.
Fancy. That's awesome. I haven't eaten I can't remember the last time I had Starbucks coffee. Like, yeah, it's just it just adds up, you know.
Yeah, it does. But today's a Friday, so like, why not?
That's true. Hi, John. Hey, Johnny. Thank you so much for joining the stream. How are you? How's your Friday? I haven't eaten yeah, if there were more people in the chat, I would have like went to push to talk, because that would be annoying. Yeah, it's just it But yeah, dude, there was this drink that Lewis put me on. Hi, John. I can never memorize the name of it. I just know the ingredients. He sent it to me and I screenshotted it. And it was a TikTok drink. You know how TikTok, there's these TikTok Starbucks baristas and they like, here's the Naruto drink and it's like, but I'm pretty sure like if you go to any Starbucks, like they're gonna look at you weird, like what? So you gotta like go based on the ingredients of it and stuff. So yeah.
I've always wanted to try it, but always afraid to.
Yeah, there's a specific Starbucks barista. He does like a lot of anime like themed Starbucks drinks.
Really? That's awesome.
Yeah, let me see if I can find him. To any Starbucks, like they're gonna look at you weird, like what? So you gotta like. Let me see if I can find this guy. And stuff. So yeah.
I've always wanted to try it, but always afraid to.
Yeah, there's a specific Starbucks barista. He does like. Oh, let me find. Okay, I got him. Let me share with the class. Not me. Oh, I had like my stream like in the background. I'm sorry if you guys heard an echo. I'm like, oh shoot. All right, I'm gonna share. Is this guy right here? He does like anime themed.
Pineapple passion fruit juice.
So let me start it over. So he has this Naruto theme.
Try this drink at Starbucks. Pineapple passion fruit juice. Strawberry acai. Frozen water cubes. Vanilla sweet cream.
Right.
Froth.
The dark.
Hello. Assemble.
That looks so good. That looks so good.
Your drink is ready. How to order.
Now there's this
9.9 out
you
of
ever
10.
seen that Starbucks barista that does like he makes drinks based on anime characters?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm looking at like his videos on stream. But yeah, it'd be
I'm gonna show you how I usually hit the ball.
looking so good. Let me see what else he has. So he had a Naruto based drink.
Like and subscribe the stream. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Yes. Yes, please like and subscribe if you have not yet. Please like this stream, guys.
Try this drink at Starbucks.
Okay, which one's
4
this one?
pumps of froth roast.
Oh, he made a
Milk.
Stranger Things drink.
4 pumps of mocha. 4 scoops of Java chips. Ice. Base. Blend. Extra cookie crumble. Extra
Oh my
mocha
God,
drizzle.
That's a lot of chocolate.
Extra strawberry drizzle. Assemble.
Let me share my screen so you guys could see live.
How to order. 9.5 out of 10. Try this drink at Starbucks.
That's a good one.
Starbucks.
Oh, there's this other Starbucks barista, and she made a Deku and Todoroki.
Of course I can do My Hero
Yeah.
Academia.
I don't watch My
Let's
Hero
go
like
plus
that.
ultra and make a Deku and Todoroki Frappuccino.
I need to, but
Start by adding your whole milk to
Have
the
you guys
bottom
seen
line.
those like
Pour it
TikToks
into
of
the
like
blender.
Starbucks workers that
Add
get
4
mad
scoops
when
of
they like
matcha.
they
Add
ask
Java
to
chip.
make them a milkshake?
Add 2 pumps of peppermint.
Really?
Add 2 scoops of
Yeah.
vanilla bean. And blend
They
on
get so
1.
mad.
Why?
Like, bro, it's your
Add
job.
your
Like,
mocha drizzle. Tap the
like
drizzle on
imagine
one side and
imagine
matcha
being
on the
an
other.
adult and asking for a milkshake. Like,
Now for Todoroki,
Yeah.
add your milk to the bottom
I
line.
get some
Add it to the
milkshake.
blender. Add 4 scoops of vanilla bean. Add your ice and your cream base. Blend on 1. Add your strawberry puree to one side and your white mocha with mango dragon fruit on the other. Now pour it into the cup. Add your whipped cream.
bro, that
Add
looks like
strawberry
a
puree on
slushy.
one
Look
side
at
and the
this.
white mocha with mango dragon fruit on the other.
that's pretty cool.
That's pretty dope.
Of course I can do my
Not
hair.
gonna lie. That is nice. Babe, what was that that drink. Remember the one you sent me with all the ingredients? I don't remember for the life of me. I can't remember the name of
And
it.
you think I will? And you think I'm gonna
You're the
remember
one that
it?
gave it to me. You're the
Yeah,
one that
and you
gave
think
it
I
to me.
remember it?
You're the one that
Hell
gave it
no.
to me.
Hell no. I never remember any of those Starbucks drinks. Are you kidding me?
I think I still have the screenshot of the ingredients. Like I don't even know if it has a name. I just have the ingredients. Like, hey, can you give me? And I'll just list the ingredients.
Most of the people that like want those ingredients on TikTok, they literally like hold it up to them. It's like, look, this is what I want.
Ooh, they have a
Very
Nezuko
impressive
Starbucks
stuff.
drink.
Because you asked for it. Nezuko!
A Nezuko Frappuccino.
I'm good, how are you?
Look for their haircut.
What can I get started for you? I'm gonna do a venti vanilla bean frap.
don't know.
Can I have 2 pumps of raspberry in it and then 4 pumps of white mocha? Okay. And then can I
Now I
have
get
just
looking
enough
at it.
strawberry puree in it
Oh
to
my
make it
God.
like a pink tint?
Look at it.
I know.
Okay. And then whipped cream on top. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, I don't know what kind of
Whoa.
cut that is,
So
but
here it is. It's pink. It's cute. And it's
tastes
really
like
good.
chocolate dipped
Oh
raspberry.
wait, it's like a chocolatey aftertaste.
Oh, that's nice, actually.
Yes, this one.
Chocolate and
8 out of
raspberry
10.
tastes
It's good.
Chocolate and
But
raspberry.
can I go
fire.
to any Starbucks and like be like, hey, give me the Naruto?
Yeah, as long as the line isn't long as heck.
Or would I have to like give the name and then break down like every ingredient?
Oh, you gotta tell them. You gotta tell them how you want it, cause that's not an official name. Like, yeah, I want the Naruto one. I'm like, no, like that's not a thing.
Ooh, he made a Minions one.
Try this drink at Starbucks. Lemonade. 4 pumps of raspberry. Frozen water cubes. Blend. Extra strawberry pure. Assemble.
Alright.
Your drink is ready. How to order?
Dang it. Dang it. I wish you could rewind shorts. Oh, that was so quick.
9.9 out of 10.
It's like a venti lemonade.
Try this drink at Starbucks. Lemonade. 4 pumps of raspberry.
Sometimes I have to like screenshot
Frozen
it.
water cubes. Blend. Extra strawberry pure.
To the ingredients. Get to the ingredients.
Assemble. Your drink is ready. How to
Boom. All right. So this is made with venti lemonade, 4 pumps of raspberry, and extra strawberry drizzle. Ah.
Simple enough.
Yeah, it's pretty simple. It's not bad.
Hey, Johnny.
Hello.
What's up, Johnny?
I
How are you?
How are you?
am good.
Ooh, they have a Gara one. Oh, let me see the
Good
Gara.
man.
Hey, it's Starbucks Dr. Zari, and today we're making the Gaara drink. Get your cup.
Gara, not Gaara.
Your
Gara.
whole milk. Get your blender. Pour it in. 3 pumps classic. Don't forget your cream base. Add in your ice. Now we're gonna blend it up. Get your cup. Whipped cream.
Yeah.
Extra dark caramel.
Yeah.
Ooh, okay.
Damn.
Extra topping.
Oh my god, this is making me hungry.
Add in your fat.
And
Whipped cream. Dark caramel. Crunch topping.
Bro, she made a whole mess of
Caramel.
it.
honestly, that does not look like Gara. No, that's not Gara. Nah.
And always serve that smile.
How is
That's
that
not Gara.
Gara? Wait.
That
Okay.
is not-
Here's
That
the
is not a
ingredients.
Gara. That does not look like Gara.
May I have? Oh, she's like gave a whole script. May I have a caramel crunch cream frappuccino?
You're not gonna remember this, babe. You're not gonna remember.
I know I'm not gonna remember it. That's not the point. I'm just saying what's in it. So maybe people who's watching the stream may, I don't know. Substitute strawberry puree and classic syrup with extra dark caramel drizzle. Thanks. Bruh.
Hey, maybe it's good.
Hey, that sounds good. That doesn't sound bad. That doesn't sound bad at all.
Like Gara's like diarrhea or something.
Yeah, seriously, that does not look like Gara.
Alright, let's see what else. Oh, there's a Sasuke drink. Okay, let's see the Sasuke.
Try this drink at Starbucks.
Okay, that's a good one.
Passion tea.
Passion tea.
Soy milk.
Oh, sorry, no.
5 pumps
this
of
one?
vanilla.
Sasuke drink.
Frozen water cubes. 3 pumps of toffee.
It
Hello.
looks like hand soap.
Assemble.
Those pumps like look like hand soap. Like, I don't know, bro.
It looks nice.
Oh, that looks really nice, eh?
Look
Your
at the red.
drink is ready. How to order?
Nice.
Wait, why the red?
Alright. Dang it, I missed it. Frick.
Maybe the red's for like the showering.
I got it.
9.9 out of 10. Try
Run that
this
back.
drink at Starbucks. Passion tea. Soy milk.
Oh, okay. Thank you,
5
Jason. I
pumps
didn't know
of
you were like
vanilla.
sending me.
Frozen water cubes. 3 pumps
I'm
of
like,
make
what do
toffee.
you keep sending?
Hello.
You gotta make a channel for it.
Yeah, we're gonna make a
Assemble.
channel on our Discord for all these freaking drinks.
You should get like
Life hacks.
you should get the Naruto.
Your drink is ready. How
Sasuke,
to
and Sakura, and then taste test them and give a review.
Oh.
Which one's the best one?
Alright, so this is venti passion tea with soy milk, vanilla, 3 pumps of toffee,
Like I made one.
and topped with passion.
Like
I like
made
it.
one.
It looks pretty.
Starbucks recipes.
Yeah.
Presentation looks pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie.
I made one, babe.
What do you mean you made one? What do you mean you made one?
I made a Starbucks recipes channel.
Oh, I was about to say, like, you made a drink now. I'm like, what? Let me see, what else? Ooh, a Zenitsu Starbucks drink?
Hello.
It's not a
Can
frappuccino,
y'all-
but hopefully it's still good.
Who's
Today
there?
we're going
Oh my
to
god,
do
you
there?
know you're alive.
Zenitsu.
You made it.
Also, please send me
I
He didn't
did
even
it.
sleep. He was
characters
just
you want me to
waiting.
do. I'll do them, or I'll
An
try.
hour late, but
What's
Okay,
my
so
info,
I'm
Lulu?
gonna do a venti.
Yeah, okay.
No, Lulu.
okay, so this is the Zenitsu.
Is that James Charles?
No!
Oh, wow.
Sisters.
Damn.
No.
Not
Breathing technique. Hi, sisters.
It's not James Charles.
Hi, sisters.
That's a girl. Anyways, this drink is made of venti lemonade, peach juice, soy milk, coconut milk for allergies, okay, and shaken up.
Tea with lemonade, and
I
then
ain't gonna lie, this girl has a really weird haircut. I don't understand.
I have soy milk in that, and can it be shaken, please? Correction, because I didn't know this. You have to
You
ask
can't
for-
tell until she has a bandana on, but there's another video where she looked weird. But we're looking at like Starbucks drinks based off anime
What's
characters right now.
Ew.
You know, in the
We
resources, I
know.
recorded the event thing.
Oh, there's a Rock Lee
Oh.
one. Okay.
This drink at Starbucks.
okay. That looks like
That looks-
rock.
That looks. Oh, this is trying it.
It looks like Shrek Swamp.
Right?
Where'd you put it?
Yeah, it
Where'd you put
does.
it? Where'd you put it?
It's the one. Oh, in the resources.
This drink at Starbucks.
That one looks really nice. That one looks. Yeah, that looks like
No ingredients?
Because it's someone reacting to it, like someone
Ah.
like actually trying it, and then they're like, oh yeah, it's pretty good.
Tea spill with blah.
Yeah.
Mm.
Ooh.
What was the tea?
It was just about like how she got her job.
Oh. Okay.
That's
Virgo with
not
just mud.
zodiac sign drinks.
Yeah, but why was Virgo mud?
That one looks pretty. I ain't gonna
What
lie.
the heck is this Capricorn? Like,
That
Makes
looks like
sense.
cotton candy, like
It's like a unicorn.
theme. Hey,
Capricorn's not a unicorn,
Scorpio, right?
So
Jason.
dumb. Oh,
It's a goat.
Scorpio
Oh.
King.
blood of the goat. See?
Scorpio King. Wow, it's only like 4 of them.
Hey.
Tried
He
you
did me
guys.
dirty. He did me
I
dirty.
tried you guys. I tried you.
This blood.
I tried you guys. Oh my god.
That was.
Let me see what else.
Can we get a moment of silence for Hagrid?
Yes, please.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, a moment of silence. R.I.P. Hagrid. What was the actual actor's name? His name, I'm getting it now, is Robbie Coltrane, who played the beloved Hagrid in the Harry Potter series. Passed away
At what age? 79?
He was
Dang,
72.
right, 72.
He was
Oh,
72.
72.
So prayers to his family. And
Can we get like your wizard Harry?
oh,
Oh,
yeah,
Wizard
no.
Harry.
I mean, let's
Wizard
play
Harry.
our tribute
Perfect.
to him. Let's play that infamous scene. Wait, is it this one? Okay.
Well, it's 14 minutes though.
I know, I'm looking at it. Well, dang.
I'm sure if you look at the comments, I think it might have it. I guess.
The
Oh, never mind.
no, there is no comments. It's turned off.
Damn.
It's okay. I'll start like in the 3-minute mark, and then. But yeah, this is a tribute to our beloved Hagrid.
Appreciated if you
He's so
didn't tell
young.
anyone at Hogwarts about that. Strictly speaking, I'm not allowed to do magic.
Okay.
Oh, we're a bit behind schedule. Let's be off. Unless you'd rather stay, of course.
I wonder if I'll get like copyright. Let me get straight to that.
Oh yeah.
Before I
You
get
gotta talk over it. You gotta talk over it.
Okay, so yeah, this is a Harry Potter. Obviously, this is the first movie. I think we passed it. This was.
One of the finest
It was
Lily and
here.
James
It would be the day she got her letter.
Okay, I think it's over here.
The family. Isn't it wonderful? I was the only one to see her for
Dude, this family was so annoying, bro. Like,
Yeah.
I wanted to punch every single one of this family.
And then she had you when I knew you would be the same, just as strange, just as abnormal. And then, if you please,
I still
she
haven't
got
fully
herself
binged
blown
the
up,
whole
and
series.
we
I
landed with you.
Blown up?
I always keep starting
You
it
told me my
and
parents
never
died in
finishing
a car
it.
crash.
A car crash? A car crash killed Lily and James Potter?
Look at this loser here.
It's an outrage.
Fat body.
It's a scandal. You'll not be going. Oh, and I suppose a great muggle like yourself's going to stop him, are you?
Muggle.
Non-magic folk. This boy's had his
He's
name
so
down ever
young.
since you were born. He's going to the
Look at
finest
this
school of
pig over
witchcraft
here.
and wizardry in the
Oh,
world.
so
and
bad.
he will be under the finest headmaster that Hogwarts has ever seen.
Eating on my
Albus
birthday cake like that.
I will not pay to have some crackpot old fool teach him magic tricks.
Never
There you go.
insult Albus Dumbledore.
Never. Oh my god, this scene is so funny.
I sent you the link of the scene.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
I don't know. Dang, I wish I knew the movie. Alright, let me get
Do you
to.
ever wonder where your mum and dad learned it all?
Okay, right here.
What?
You're a wizard, Harry.
Banger. Bars.
Bars!
A
Bars.
wizard. And a thumping good a night, would you? Once you trade up a little.
You're a
No.
wizard.
You've made a mistake. I mean, I
Can
can't
be
be
a
a
wizard?
wizard. I mean, I'm just
Harry.
Harry.
Harry Potter.
Just Harry.
Well, just Harry. Did you ever make anything happen? Anything you couldn't explain when you were angry or scared?
But yeah, guys, that was our little tribute to Hagrid. May he rest in peace. And yeah, like, is this the full movie? No, I will not be playing the full movie here. You're trying to get me copyrighted so I can get copyrighted? No, Parker, I can't play the full movie.
Like the stream, like the stream, like the stream.
That is illegal.
Like and subscribe.
But if you join our Discord, maybe we could have a movie that we could probably watch it together on there. But not here live on the stream. Because then that's bye-bye Zona. But yeah, RIP to the goat, Hagrid.
To the goat.
Goat. Man. Gonna miss that guy. At least he was there in the reunion that they did.
Yeah.
So. But man, it's so crazy how young they were. Dude, when Harry Potter came out, I was in like elementary school.
Yeah.
Because I remember that's when I would buy the books in the Scholastic Book Club. Or whatever. Book fair? Yeah. Remember those days? Those were the best days in school.
For the kids that had money, yeah.
For that money. I would be so pissed because I'll like forget to ask my parents for money and I'll be so mad. I'll be no.
Yeah.
And then like they would still like let us go, but I'd have to like window shop and not get it.
Yeah.
Like man. But man. But yeah, I remember buying the first book at that Scholastic Book Fair. And then there was this whole big thing with the Christian community and that
yeah, I remember.
If your kids... And so my mom told me I had to throw away my Harry Potter books because it was demonic. And I was pissed. Because I saved money for those books, boy. I saved for that $10. And yeah, I guess that's why I never really watched the movies growing up because of that. I think until recently. Like the only movie I think I fully watched was always the first one, like the original. But yeah, it sucked. But I watch it now, like as an adult, like I'll watch it. But you know, the books are always better. Books were really good.
All right.
Yeah. Good times.
Yeah, really good times. I miss the 90s, early 2000s.
Yeah, man. We were so young, like, jeez. How old is Handcliffe now? He's like in his 30s, I think. Daniel Radcliffe?
Yeah.
He's 33, jeez.
Damn. He's only like 4 years older than me.
Right?
I feel like a loser.
But he has a new movie, I think, coming out on. He's playing Weird Al.
Oh, did you ever watch Guns Akimbo?
No, what's it called?
Guns Akimbo?
No.
You should watch it. It's really good. I liked it.
Okay. Parky. R.I.P. to a real one, yeah. Rest in peace, man. So sad. The goat. Yeah, man. Alright, is everyone here or are we still waiting for...
I don't know where Harmon and Mir's at.
Oh yeah, we do. Why
you
am
know,
I...
Do you brush your teeth?
Not you guys. Okay. Eno is brush his teeth? I don't know.
You know you there?
I'm here.
Are you up or are you still in bed?
Why you sound so depressed?
I'm still in bed.
Get up.
Get up.
Well, Leon says winners win, losers lose. Now, what do you want to be today?
A loser.
No, wrong
right.
answer.
Damn right.
Damn right.
Damn right.
Triggered.
Oh my god.
Okay, I'm gonna go and switch to my computer.
Yay. Alright, we're gonna get ready and get this node to touch this node. Are we finishing what we did yesterday?
Yeah.
Or not yesterday, Wednesday?
Well, you and me. Because I think Eno finished it, and I think Jason already finished it a long time ago.
Alright, cool. So I'm gonna pull up VS Code then. Doop, 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 doop. Anyone has the link to that article? Cause I forgot.
It's on homework.
Homework tab.
Okay, cool. You really made a Starbucks recipes channel fun. That's hilarious.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Here we go, y'all. All right, let me minimize Discord. Let me. We gonna get to the. All right, this is where I'm gonna have to move my camera around. I'm gonna have to make myself super small so you guys could see what's going on. Didn't we have like 6 more things to do? Do you remember where we left off? We did Nomon. We did.
Hold on. I think we were just at Nodemon. I think we
Really?
finished there.
Oh, I think so too.
Yeah. We're supposed to start at Rest.
Okay, so we stopped at the NPN run dev.
Oh no, actually. No, we stopped at fetching a single resource. Because I remember like this chart here.
Where is that? Is that
Rest.
oh Rest? Okay, so we
Keep going down.
Oh
Keep
yeah.
going down. The chart on Rest. The chart on Rest.
Oh yeah. Relax.
Talking louder. You couldn't hear me.
I think you're looking at the stream, and remember the stream is
Yeah,
not
I'm looking
in
at the
real
stream.
time. It's not in real time.
Well, how am I supposed to know?
Well, I'm gonna share the screen now.
Huh?
Okay?
Huh?
I'm gonna share the screen now. Yeah, this one. Chill. All right. So, okay, so yeah, I remember this chart right here with the all the functions: the get, post, delete, put, patch. So you said fetching a single resource. Okay, let me see the code.
Yeah.
App.get. Okay, so we had to update. Yeah, I don't have that updated. So is there
Feel free to
one?
update like multiple times, like.
So we pretty much deleting 2. I have 2 of them. I don't know why I have 2 of them. But is that replacing
Yeah, you
both
pretty
of them?
much replaced both of them. Yeah.
Okay.
I just commented out. I didn't.
So
To be honest.
we're gonna put this over here. Okay, and then Why do I have like, dang, 715 pending changes? Did I not commit this last night? I wonder.
Oh, click that real quick. Let me see.
This?
Yeah. Oh, it's a lot of node modules. That's why.
Bruh. Bro.
If you make a .env, it gets rid of that.
Where? Here?
Remember last time we made a .env file?
I remember we did a get an ignore.
Oh, sorry. Get ignore.
Okay, I was like.
Sorry.
I'm like.
Yeah. If you
So
do that, probably get rid of it.
Should I do it like right here? Like.
Yeah. Dot get.
And that was it, right? Like. Just that.
Yep. And then just write node underscore modules.
Oh, look at that! Oh, that's sick. I like that.
Very nice.
Very nice. All right, let me put this right here so chat, you guys could see. All right. Awesome. So now there's only 4. Good. Yeesh. All right. Cool. So we added that. Now app.get will handle all the HTTP GET requests, and of the form of that, where something is an arbitrary string. The ID parameter in the route of the request can be accessed through the request. What the heck did I click on? No. Request object. Okay. So we're gonna add this on the top, I guess. Let me like type it.
No, that's already in there.
I had in index.js.
No, that's not index.js. Const ID is already inside that thing you just copy pasted in. If you notice, it's like.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Line.
Ah, that's the request. Okay.
Yeah.
Parameter. Okay. My bad. Okay. Now the now familiar find method of the arrays is used to find the note with an ID that matches the parameter. The note is then returned to the sender of the request. When we test our application by going to localhost 301/API/nodes/1 in our browser, we notice that it does not appear to work as the browser displays an empty page. This comes as no surprise to us as software developers, and it's time to debug. Okay, so I need to run this. So let me run it. Run it. Let me see if you can run it. Okay, so let me type localhost. Okay, yeah, it's blank. Oh, wait, I have to put .apps. Okay, yes, it is a blank page. Adding console log commands to our code is a time-proven trick. Okay, so within the app.get, we're going to add a console log here. Console log ID. We're gonna console log the ID here. Okay. When visiting again in the browser, the console log in the terminal in this case will display the following. All right, so let's start it again. server 1. We visited the console, which is in the terminal in this case. Will display the following. Okay, I see 1, but I'm not getting undefined. Am I supposed to get the undefined?
You gotta click on the link.
I am clicking on the link. I'm getting 1, but I'm not getting undefined.
Let me see.
Are you getting undefined?
Yeah.
Let me see if my stuff is right. Const ID, param, console log ID.
You didn't put? Did you put console log note and response .json
Yeah,
note?
you hit the console.
Ah!
Yeah, you didn't put that. You didn't put that.
I didn't put
You didn't put that.
Alright.
You didn't put that.
I know I didn't put that.
Turn the AC on.
What?
I don't know.
What was that? What? Console log notes.
AC on.
You're a wizard, Harry. Alright, so let's... No, I'm not trying to share this. Get out of here. Okay. So... I don't know if I need to restart it, but I'm gonna restart it. Ah, there we go. Now we're getting the 1, and we're getting the undefined. I'm sorry, guys. Let me move chat. I'll move chat over here so you guys could see. What is going on? Okay. So cool. So we're getting that. Okay, so the ID parameter from the route is passed to our application, but the find method does not find a matching node. To further our investigation, we also add a console log inside the comparison function passed to the find method. In order to do this, we have to get rid of the compact arrow function syntax, note arrow function note.id equals ID, and use the syntax with an explicit return statement. Okay, so
I remember getting stuck on this one.
no. Okay, so we pretty much we're changing this const note thing, so we're gonna take out this console log. And then we're going to adjust this.
Do you know what's happening in that code?
I don't know. I don't.
Notes, note that find the notes. Is it pretty much taking over the console log?
No. So look up to your note. Like notes. The notes are on the top.
Okay.
On your code. Those are your notes.
Okay.
Right,
What is that? What data type is that?
An array
An array of what?
of objects.
These are an array of objects, yeah.
Okay. So you have an array of objects. We'll go down. What is the find method? Well, find method I think is one of the array methods basically.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You're using node as a parameter, and it doesn't really matter what you use. You can use element, and you're targeting the ID and setting it equals to the ID, which is the variable on top of this variable, which is request.params.id.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Regarding JSON, regarding params, I'm kind of confused on that part. Is that attached to the request method, or is that like, where is that from? And what does that do?
Oh.
Hey, Saber.
Params?
Yeah, params.
Hello.
How do I call it? I don't think of the best way to say it. Param, so request params ID. It's just like parameter, but I try to think of the best way to explain it. I can't really put my mind towards on how it works. Let me look it up real quick.
Maybe a Saber, do you have an idea what params are?
Those are query parameters coming from the URL. Basically, what Express does matches the URL with the app.get on line 28 and looks for identifiers that had that colon character right behind them, like in line 28 ID is one of them. So while it's matching the path with what we define here, it identified those ones and expose them as the objecting parameters.
Oh, so it's like a query selector, basically, like what you said. And regarding that, it's coming from Express. So I'm assuming it's.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So it's not attached to any like get or whatever. It's just an Express thing.
Yeah, it says right here, the request.params property is an object containing properties mapped to the named root parameters.
I don't understand that. What is named root parameters? Like, are we talking about the endpoints here?
I think it says, for example, if you have a root /student/ID, then the ID property is available as request.params.id. Oh, so it basically linked to, see where it says the two dots and ID at the end of notes? It connects to that, saying that that's a parameter. And that it could be filled with whatever. Like, let's say in the object ID was 2. It'll change that request up top to 2.
Oh, okay.
That makes sense? Like, it could be it could be whatever.
Yeah. I see. Alright, that's pretty cool. Oh, you're doing it further.
And then I guess we still keep the console log. And we're still console logging the note. And we're getting the response. Alright. Okay. Is everyone good? Or should we
yeah.
still move on?
Yes.
Okay.
Are you guys good?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Am I really good?
If you're allowed what?
Am I good?
I don't know, are you?
I don't know, give me a hug.
Venmo me.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Is it Venmo?
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you have Venmo in Japan?
Do you guys have Venmo? That's a no. Okay.
He obviously has bad internet too.
All right. So, okay. So it says when we visit our URL again in the browser. Let me get this thing here so you guys could see what the heck is going on. When we visit the URL again in the browser, we call e to the comparison function prints out. Yeah, this doesn't make sense. Prints out a few different things to consider to the console. Not the console
You haven't
output is the false.
restarted yet.
Excuse me, what did you say?
What happened?
You haven't restarted the app yet, so it doesn't have the latest.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I gotta.
However, you have node mod, maybe kind of npm run dev might do that.
You need to run dev it instead of npm start because you're not using node mod with start.
So that it restarts and changes.
Oh, okay, yeah. Sorry. Okay. There we go. So yeah, we're seeing the number 1 string false, number 2 string 1 false, and number 1 string. So yeah, showing it 3 times pretty much.
No, it's comparing. It's comparing the data types that you're getting. So you have one number, one string that's false.
Mm-hmm.
Why do you think this is happening?
Because it's not the same type.
Because it's not the same.
Right?
Yeah, it's not the same. They're comparing the types.
Yeah, that's obviously the correct term. But like, look at your console log right now.
Mm-hmm.
And why is note.id not equal to ID?
We're talking about this.
Note.id is not equal to the ID.
That's basically what's false. The note.id equals ID. So the very end of your console log. Like, why is that the case though?
Is it because the ID is a number? And note.id is a string?
No. ID is not a number. Note.id is a number. ID is a string. Why is that?
ID is a string. Oh, I see it here.
Oh, because it's taking it from the request, which is a string.
Well, because the ID is a string here on the based on the variable.
Yeah, on
the
the
constant
cons.
variable.
And note.id is a number. So they're not the same type. Therefore, they're not equal to each other.
Notes ID.
Is that right?
Sorry, what did you say?
No, I'm saying because the ID is based off the variable here, which is a string. And we said that note.id is a number, so therefore they're not the same type. And so
But why is request.param.id a string? So where is note.id coming from?
From the object in the array.
Exactly. And I'm assuming that, that the value of the ID is a number. Here's a tricky part though, because I'm entirely not sure why exactly ID itself is a string, but I believe that it's because it's a JSON. And if it's a JSON file, remember everything's a string.
It has to be a string, yeah.
Is that correct? Are my assumptions correct?
I think the reason is Express does not really convert any of the parameters to any other type other than a string. It does not really attempt to check if that parameter is a string or a number and does that conversion. It just passes it through.
Wait, but
it passes it through the way it is.
Yeah, but if that's the case, then ID should be a number if it's passing through the way it is, because our data above, the ID is a number. with the
Express doesn't know that. Express just considers it as a string. I mean, it's basically a URL that Express is parsing, and when it comes to that, it does not attempt to see if what is the type because it's arbitrary, right? It can be any value. You can type even a name in there.
Well, it doesn't mean that it's like a JSON file or what or thing, whatever. It's just that Express just automatically converts everything to string.
Yeah, Express takes that URL, parses it, and figures out the parameters and keeps the parameter all as a string.
Interesting.
Okay. That was the one I was missing. Thank you for the clarification.
Oh,
so,
that
yeah.
is actually that's a clutch clarification right there.
Yeah, so, did you guys get that?
Can you repeat it for me again? I was multitasking. I'm sorry. I was listening, but like half listening.
Just basically Express just turns everything into string.
Okay.
And like the URL is parsing everything into string. So when we go to request.parameter.id, even though it was originally a number from node.id, it's become a string. And therefore, node.id triple equals or strictly equals ID is false.
Ah, okay. Okay, got it. Interesting. And that's because it's coming from the JSON, which strictly is only strings.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it. All right, let's continue. So it says the event handler function can access the data from the body property of the request object. Without the JSON parser, the body property would be undefined. The JSON parser functions so that it takes the JSON data of a request, transforms it into a JavaScript object, and then attaches it to the body property of the request object before the route handler is called. For the time being, the application does not do anything with the received data besides printing it to the console and sending it back in the response. Before we implement the rest of the application logic, let's verify with Postman that the data is actually received by the server. In addition to defining the URL and request type in Postman, we have to define the data sent in the body. So we have to go to Postman.
Yeah, you can download it, or you can. It's annoying to be honest.
Download what? Postman?
Yeah, the app.
They have an app?
If it's on the web browser, it's not gonna work.
I didn't know they had an app.
I can still use it on the web browser.
Oh, it still works. It didn't work in mine.
Are we going to fix that string number kind of incompatibility? And the get request?
Where?
So right now that app.get that we were just working on, and that kind of the difference between number and a string is causing this endpoint to not really function as it should.
Oh, yeah, we're gonna fix that later on.
Okay.
So we're gonna use the number object to parse our ID into a number, so it matches the node.id.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I'm surprised. Did you guys get to that point yet?
What part?
I finished it.
Yeah, I think you finished it.
No, well, Zona, because where you're at, you're like past that.
That's true. You're past it.
You missed
That's
a whole chunk.
Yeah.
Did I?
You did.
Yeah, you skipped. Yeah.
Oh my
you skipped deleting
god.
resources.
So go right there. Go down. Okay, so yeah, right there. Once it says const ID number, right there. Let's fix this issue by changing the ID parameter. I was wondering where you were. I was like, wait, what the hell? Like, where do you guys get down there for so quick?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm like, wait, what?
Oh, so we're here.
Yeah. You fixed that problem right there by using the number.
Oh, okay. Const ID. Oh, so okay.
Just pretty much replace the whole thing.
Thank you for catching that, cause. All right, so it says my.
Also, the console login response JSON down there.
Oh,
That's me.
Take that out too.
Oh.
Bye bye. Okay, cool. Who means? All right. Now fetching an individual resource works. Okay, so let's. Oh, whoa. npm run dev. And okay, so I am seeing it. Let me
wait, how did you let me see something real quick.
You guys can see that.
Oh, you have it on notes 1. Okay, hold on.
Yeah, it's supposed to be on that localhost 3001/API/no stuff. Okay, so cool. We are getting all of that. I don't know how to get it to look like this on theirs, but whatever. Now fetch. Maybe, yeah, maybe it's a, yeah, it's an extension, right? Like that makes it look like that. Oh, okay.
That's weird. Mine doesn't show that.
What does yours show?
It just shows cannot get /API/notes1.
Did you make
Maybe
sure?
you're missing something?
Yeah.
Do you still have that object? The array object?
Yeah, I do. Let me see.
Did you
well, the
add
path here
the
is API get notes and then ID. Oh wait, hold on. Maybe it's
You have
dash
the,
/1.
Yeah, it's /1.
Oh, it's /1. Okay.
yeah, that ID basically changes into whatever request.
Got it.
format
Okay,
you're
we're
looking
good.
Okay. Okay, however, there's another problem with our application. If we search for a note with an ID that does not exist, the server responds with this. So I guess this is in the console. We're gonna look in the network. I remember I had to. Okay, wasn't it like this? And
I gotta refresh it. That's right.
I have to refresh it.
Yeah.
Is it this one? I don't see 100. I'm getting 1.
Yeah, I think the exercise wants us to change the URL and fetch the 100.
Oh yeah, it does.
Yeah.
You're passing
right.
1 right now.
Oh.
Yeah, that's correct. That's correct.
Yeah.
So if you change that 1 to 100,
There it is. Yeah.
it'll
And
change
you-
it to 1.
Yeah, in your browser URL on the tab that you so.
Oh, so 100. Okay.
Yeah, it'll change to 100.
I got it.
Hey, yo!
Thank you for that. Okay. Got it. Okay. Yeah, he didn't like specify that. I guess he had to just.
People do.
You just had to look at this and do that. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so the HTTP status code that is returned is 200, which we do see 200, which means that the response succeeded. There is no data sent back with the response since the value of the content linked header is 0. And the same can be verified from the browser. Hold on, guys. I gotta shout out somebody from the chat. Hey, Fatima. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you're having a great Friday. And yeah, I'm just coding some Node.js, but thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you stopping by.
Oh, was that Fatima, the one that you did that space with?
Yes.
Oh.
For the
Hello,
queuing. Yeah. Yeah, Fatima's awesome, guys. Follow her on Twitter.
I was like listening to both of you while I was at work.
Oh yeah, it was an amazing space. Definitely got some clarity from that. So Fatima, thank you so much for your support. All right. Okay, so the content linked header is 0, and the same can be verified from the browser. The reason for this behavior is that the note variable is set to undefined. Okay, I guess that's the thing that was showing on the console log in the terminal, that undefined. Was that's why that was showing up. Okay.
We need to have an error, basically.
Okay, so if no matching note is found, the situation needs to be handled on the server in a better way. If no note is found, the server should respond with the status code, the good old 404, not found, instead of 200. Okay. And let's make the following change to our code. Okay, so we're gonna go back to the app.get, and then this is where we're gonna add a conditional here. So okay, so we're creating an error. So we're gonna take away this response.json, and then so this is saying if note, then response.json note, and then else response, and then push status 404 end. Okay. Everyone got that? Let me know. Much love. Thank you. Much love, Fatima. Thank you so much for being here. Really, really, really appreciate you. Hope you have a great weekend. A great Friday. All right. Since no data is attached, did I read this part? I don't. Okay. Since no data is attached to the response, we use the status method for setting the status and the end method for responding to the request without sending any data. The if condition leverages the fact that all JavaScript objects are truthy, meaning they evaluate to true in a comparison operation. However, undefined is falsy, meaning that it will evaluate to false. Okay. So pretty much if there's an object, it will be true, and if there isn't, it'll go to false. If it's undefined, it'll just go false, and that's where we'll get the 404 status. Our application works and sends the error status code if no note is found. However, the application doesn't return anything to show to the user like web applications normally do when we visit a page that does not exist. We do not actually need to display anything in the browser because REST APIs are interfaces that are intended for programmatic use, and the error status code is all that is needed. Anyway, it's possible to give a clue about reason of sending 404 error by overriding default not found message. Okay.
There's like a way to like actually present a message. Like, so instead of like status, instead of .n, you can do .send, and then with the string message inside. And then if you refresh your page, it should like cause.
So you're saying that instead of .n here after 404, .send?
Yeah, I think so. Hold on, let me.
So if I .send it, and then you're saying if I could put something inside of it?
Yeah, it has to be a string though.
Like.
Yeah, .send and string inside.
Oh, sorry.
Same syntax with like parentheses. Yeah.
Oh.
You should escape that character with a backslash.
Oh, really?
Already
I
can
rarely-
backslash.
So backslash. Hold on. Ah, okay. Thank you. Can't get in whatever. Okay, I learned something. Okay, cool. So if we run that, would I have to do the npm run? Let me.
No, just have to refresh the page.
Okay, cool. Oh, okay, I see it.
Which is pretty cool.
That's cool. Okay.
Very nice.
So instead of getting the default, I mean, it depends, right? So when the user actually logs in, you don't know whether like it's actually an error or like you want to display a message to communicate that.
Yeah.
So, in that manner, if a person doesn't have the password, they shouldn't be directed to 404.
Right. Okay. That's interesting. And then the original is end, so let me see how the end looks like. So if
it doesn't do it. It doesn't show anything.
No, it's that's
oh, so it shows this page, this typical 404. Okay. Ah, okay, that's interesting. Very interesting. Okay.
It was pretty cool.
Yeah, that's cool. Okay. Everyone good? You good, babe?
Yeah.
Okay. If deleting the resource is successful, meaning that the note exists and it is removed, we respond to the request with the status code 204, no content, and return no data with the response. There's no consensus on what status code should be returned to a delete request if the resource does not exist. Really, the only two options are 204 and 404. For the sake of simplicity, our application will respond with 204 in both cases. So Postman. So how do we test the delete operation? HTTP GET requests are easy to make from the browser. We could write some JavaScript for testing deletion, but writing test code is not always the best solution in every situation. Many tools exist for making the testing of backends easier. One of these is the command line program curl. However, instead of curl, we will take a look at using Postman for testing the application. Please install the Postman desktop client from here and test it out. Okay. But I think, Jason, you said I could just do it on the browser and it'll be fine, or?
Yeah.
I think so, but when I did it, it didn't work for me, so I don't know what's up with that.
Okay, well, we'll just test it out and... Okay, so... Is this from API?
Under workspaces, create workspace.
And...
I think no, go back home. Sorry. I don't remember how to use this thing.
It doesn't matter, just create a workspace and then that's it. It doesn't matter. But you can do my workspace.
Oh, my workspace, yeah.
My workspace functions well.
And...
Yeah, that's fine. You just needed to like play around with.
Okay.
And look at the plus sign.
Yeah,
behind,
click that.
besides overview.
See where it says fail test? Yeah, there's a plus sign. Yeah, click that.
Okay.
And you're gonna write localhost, basically the URL.
Yeah, just do copy paste it from.
Like that, right? And well, it says notes too. I don't know if I should do it. I don't know if it matters, but
You should also change the verb to delete right now and get.
Yes, you have to make it delete.
Oh, so instead of get, it's delete.
No. Oh wait, she hasn't set up the delete yet.
No, okay, if she has an implant. Then.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
you have to
Sorry.
set up and delete. Yeah.
Okay.
Something that the difference between 404 and 204 that was kind of mentioned, worth mentioning, that from security perspective, it's better to not really let the clients and whoever makes the request know if the object existed or not, and always be return at 204.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Because in a brute force case, then a malicious actor can keep calling all the possible values over there and figure which ones are existing, which ones are not.
Oh, that's true.
Basically, kind of exposing too much information, basically.
Okay. Very interesting.
So it's not always necessary to present the proper information to the users because you just don't know if it's going to be a nice user or a malicious person. But yeah, absolutely.
Okay. That makes sense. Yeah. All right. So now that I have that, okay, let's.
I told you it's not working. It's not gonna work. You're not gonna get. I'm not sure where you're gonna find the 204 no content thing. But you have to change the delete, by the way, on the thing. On the postman. On the postman.
On the postman? Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Sorry. And then there should be two. Let me copy this. Let's see if this works. Cloud agent error. It's
Oh, I guess not. Oh.
Yeah, I'm getting the same thing.
All right, let's download it.
Yeah, I don't know what's up, but when I did it to the cloud postman app, it worked. So I'm not sure how it's accessing its data, but
all right, let's download it. Which I did. I don't know.
Oh, I'm sorry. It only works if you download the Postman agent. I'm so sorry.
Oh.
Totally forgot. So
Triggered.
The website will work if you have a Postman agent, but there's a Postman app that you can use. Sorry, I totally forgot.
Can you like clarify your information? We don't want fake news here.
Exactly.
Wow.
Okay, now it's showing it. Okay. There we go. Sorry if you guys
is
cannot
that
see it.
Like you still had to download the thing?
Yeah, you need Postman agent.
It'll show it like when it errors. It says like right next to it, like download the agent, and you just click that link and it'll do
the
it.
desktop agent.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, let me go ahead and install it.
And we've got 204 here, so we've got it.
No content.
No content. So yeah, let us know once it works for you.
There we go.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Alright, so using Postman is quite easy in this situation. It's enough to define the URL and then select the correct request type, delete. The backend server appears to respond correctly. By making the HTTP GET request to, and then the link, we see that the note with the ID 2 is no longer on the list, which indicates that the deletion was success. Okay.
So what you need to do in Postman, change the delete verb to get.
Okay.
Already tried it, now you should get a 404.
We just deleted it.
404
so
not
look at
found.
your web. Yeah, you should look at your web as well. And yeah.
Yeah, it's giving the 404. Okay. Cool. Perfect. We see that. Okay, which means it's successful. Because the notes in the applications are only saved to memory, the list of notes will return to its original state when we restart the application. Okay. So it says the VS Code REST client. If you use VS Code or Visual Studio Code, you can use the VS Code REST client plugin instead of Postman. Okay, so that's a plugin. So I guess that's an extension.
VS Code, yeah.
And REST client. Let me see and make sure I get the right one. So it should be this one. Okay, installing. Okay, should have it.
Done.
Same. Okay, once the plugin is installed, using it is very simple. We make a directory at the root of application named request. We save all REST client requests in the directory as files that end in the REST extension. Let's create a new getAllNotes.rest file and define the request that fetches all notes.
It's a file or a folder?
It's a folder.
Oh,
you have
it's
to
a
make
folder.
a folder, and inside a folder you have to create.
So we're creating a folder called request, and in that we're making a file.
Yeah. Well, the file name can be anything, but the ending point needs to be .rest rest.
R-E-S-P-C-T.
So.
Oh, okay. So the folder. Ooh. And
Did I make a file? I'm sorry.
Yeah, you made a file.
Oh my god, triggered. Can you like follow the instructions?
My immersion.
My immersion.
Sorry.
My immersion.
I was like, oh no.
That was triggering.
That was triggering. That was very triggering for me.
They gave me trauma.
I can't with you guys. That.
Wait, hold up. So the folder needs to be called. It needs a .rest or just get all notes.
The folder can be anything. The file can be name can be anything. You just have to indicate that it's a REST file, like how you indicate JS files or HTML
Got
files.
it. Okay. And then inside, make a file. Get all notes.rest.
And send the request above the get. You can find the send request. You can click on that.
Above the guest.
Like get. Look at your code.
Uh-huh.
Send request above that.
Oh, I see it.
And you get the same thing. Look.
I will type it in here.
No, that's it. That's the request.
Oh, that's the code of it. Sorry. Okay.
Wait, hold on.
Very interesting.
Here. So you don't really need Postman. That's what it's saying.
Ah, that's cool.
Like, so it's saying you just downloaded Postman for nothing.
Pretty much.
Yeah. Triggered.
Very. All right. Let me know when you got it.
Yeah. Hold on. Rest. There we go. And then you said, where do I go to send requests?
In your notes, file, you do the get and then the URL of the localhost.
Uh-huh.
And then, did you do that?
Yeah, I put.
Okay,
file
so
in there.
you got the line in there. Okay, once you got the line in there, you should see it like send request.
Okay. You
above
gotta
it.
have that in there. Okay, cool. Hold on. Didn't know I had to have that. Get. There we go. Send request. Connection was rejected.
Wait, are you still doing?
I got it.
Oh, okay. I thought you were still on Postman. I'm like, what? Okay, the WebStorm HTTP client. Sorry. If you use IntelliJ WebStorm, instead, you can use a similar procedure within its built-in HTTP client. create a new file with extension.rest. And the editor will display you options to create and run your request. You can learn more about it by following this guide. Okay, we don't need that. Retrieving data. Next, let's make it possible to add notes to the server. Adding a note happens by making an HTTP post request to the address and the URL, and by sending all the information for the new note in the request body in the JSON format. In order to access the data easily, we need the help of the Express JSON parser that is taken to use with command app.use and then parentheses express.json method. Let's activate the JSON parser and implement the initial handler for dealing with the HTTP post request. Okay. So
I don't know why it's telling me that like the connection was rejected when I send the request.
Where? Can you share your screen?
Yeah.
You don't have an ID.
So right here, one. Yeah, but that's the same thing. Still rejects it.
Let me see.
And I don't know why, because my post. Huh?
Can you go? Are you running your server? Oh, because you're not running NodeMon, I think. Oh, you are.
You're not supposed.
Yeah, it is.
Why do you have the? You don't need the /1.
Oh, you don't?
No.
But it's the same thing.
You don't.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty much the same thing, but yeah, it's still like.
You downloaded the extension?
Mm-hmm. I mean, yeah.
Yeah, I mean it's working, right? So. HTTP localhost.
Must be something wrong in the code.
Is it because of slash at the end?
No, the slash at the end doesn't matter. It's always invisible anyways, right?
I mean,
Let's see.
try it. And...
Yeah, let's check
I
your
mean, yeah, I
stuff.
doubt it because like if it didn't do it for the one ID, then.
Is it because you're running it on Linux?
What?
Oh, why? Like your folder is called Get All Notes.
Yeah.
Yeah, what about it?
Shouldn't it be requests?
Oh yeah, that's true.
It has to be.
No, it's supposed to be request. Yeah.
Request.
Oh.
Okay,
request.
With an S.
With an S. Request with an S. Let's see.
Yeah, it's the same thing. Because I think that the folder can be named anything.
Oh, I don't know. Maybe it says the connection was rejected. Because it wasn't one.
Wait, Saber was like trying to say something. What do you say, Saber?
Yeah.
I was quick. Like the folder name wouldn't really matter. I would just maybe attempt to restart your Node app one time yourself.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's see.
Oh, it's not asking you to like. Are you sure you want to restart your server anymore?
Oh.
Okay,
Now
try sending it again. But still? What the heck?
Still.
What is that causing you errors?
Let me see the proxy settings of your a firewall.
Firewall.
The source is REST client extension. Something with your extension.
Could be I guess the firewall thing. Maybe that's the problem.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I'll
How
leave
would
that.
that be an issue?
Try it out. Doesn't hurt.
I mean,
turn off your firewall.
I hope you get viruses.
Yes, I'll hack you.
Yeah, let me hack you.
I got you.
Hack you.
Your name's not Lewis. It's James.
Is it? What? Excuse me.
Even Shamir didn't know that.
I would be so triggered.
Like, who are you?
Who are you?
Who really are you?
Who is this man that I'm dating? Like James, bruh.
Ew. James.
Ew. Okay, sure. That's too much. That's too much. Alright, you don't say ew to somebody's name. Like,
I'm just kidding, guys.
that was funny. James, ew. Like, damn.
So
You literally just
not
pissed all the
fetch.
people that's like named James.
All the viewers named James died.
That's
today.
so not bad. I'm just kidding. James is a fine name. That's an old name. I think that's like one of the oldest names is James.
Have you tried giving up?
What is the oldest name?
Should, huh?
What the heck? What kind of Cushim is the earliest known name?
At least know your firewall got your back, you know.
Check.
Hold on,
Open
it's
your
not
index
off
JS
yet.
one more time. Let me review that.
I'm sorry, say it
Uh,
again.
Index file. Can I review that quickly?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, let's look at that. Maybe you gotta.
Scroll all the way down. All the way down.
What is it not equals to?
Yeah, you have a
Where?
not equals to.
Yeah.
It
Oh,
shows it on
actually.
the,
Oh,
on the
no,
thing.
That's an. I think that's something. That's an extension we did because I have the same thing on mine.
Trying to make it fancy. Okay.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
like.
that. Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
That.
No, that's fine.
Yeah, yeah.
Wait,
Yeah,
but
that's
wait.
fine.
If that's an extension, then no.
Yeah, but that's not about request. That's not.
That's true.
That
it's
that
delete.
extension. Yeah.
That's just making. That's just changing the look of the text.
Can you go a little bit up?
Yeah,
Yeah.
can go up a bit.
Can you pass those comments?
Yeah, like,
Yeah,
do
there's
you have
anything-
anything?
I think I know what's happening. You are running your command terminal in
Linux.
WSL and Linux, and then that's where the port is opening. But then VS Code attempts to sends it through the Windows kernel.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what I was. No, I
didn't even see
mentioned that, and I was like,
let me do bash.
Yeah.
Oh, I see you. Ubuntu.
Yeah.
Okay.
yeah, WSL's been on to. I saw that, I was like, yeah, I think that's what it is.
No.
Oh, it's not recognized.
I think you gotta do npm install once.
Oh,
Yeah.
MPMI.
Yeah, because there are different
Yeah.
OSs basically.
Yeah. Yeah,
People using
install.
Ubuntu.
Trying
Hell
to be
yeah.
fancy.
You guys don't use that?
Ubuntu more like Udumtu.
Oh my. Triggered.
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 npm
Alright.
install.
Oh,
No, npm.
snap.
Bro.
Version.
I know. No, hold on. I'm gonna.
Am I getting attacked?
I don't.
NPMI.
No. You don't have to do that. You can just do npm install. It's gonna install everything in your
Oh,
scripts.
for real?
Yeah,
Yeah.
everything in your scripts.
Yeah, actually, you have to install everything since you
Yeah.
changed the OS.
If you just do that, you have to do it manually for each one. So just npm install installs everything in your scripts.
Oh. Damn, too late.
Triggered.
NPMI.
Oh yeah, so Saber is here. Okay, Saber.
He's been here.
Yeah, I know, but like I want to
Yeah.
ask like the issue because look, we get these issues called npm audit fix force and all of that. What is that? Is that our issue or is that like?
Go.
It's usually a problem dependency. The dependency has some known security.
go.
There we go.
Oh, so is it
Got
coming
it.
from us?
Yeah, just
Uh,
do it
Yeah,
on
it's
Bash.
a you
now.
problem.
Yes, in that regards, that this is the package that you define in the package JSON, but no, because it's kind of the underlying library that is doing it. Sometimes npm audit -- fix actually fixes it if there is an actual update published.
Oh,
That's security.
okay.
But sometimes it doesn't work. So yeah, I mean, it would be kind of most of the critical ones are very kind of those that you gotta pay attention to. Kind of when the service is running, you gotta make sure that your repository doesn't.
Okay.
We can ignore them for now.
All right.
Nice.
All right.
Okay, send that request.
I did. It worked.
It works.
Yeah, it worked. All right.
Nice.
Great.
Don't use Linux. Weird.
Yeah, don't use Linux.
It's okay. I think if you're using Linux, you have to run VS Code in a WSL mode as well.
I
VS Code
think so, yeah.
You have to run it in that mode, then it will work.
Nah.
Move on to chat.
Nice. Okay. Where were we? I think we were.
Yeah, the WebStorm.
Yeah, WebStorm.
Yeah.
Okay, so cool. No, we're in retrieving data. Okay. I think I read all this though. So we have to activate the JSON parser, and add the HTTP post request. Yeah, that's where we are now. So we're adding this. I already added it. Because that was when Lewis was fixing your stuff. So you're adding the app.use this line here, the app.use, and then we're adding the app.post request. Jesus, what's that? Let me know when you're done with that. Should be pretty easy. Okay. All right. So the event handler function can access the data from the body property of the request object. Without the JSON parser, the body property would be undefined. The JSON parser functions so that it takes the JSON data of a request, transforms it into a JavaScript object, and then attaches it to the body property of the request object before the route handler is called. For the time being, the application does not do anything with the received data besides printing it to the console and sending it back in the response. Before we implement the rest of the application logic, let's verify with Postman that the data is actually received by the server. In addition to defining the URL and request type in Postman, we also have to define the data sent in the body. Okay, so I guess we're going back to Postman. I'm going to remove this. I'm going to send, and we're going to look at the body here.
Gotta put post.
Yeah, you gotta change that get to post.
Yeah.
Oh.
There we go.
I always forget that. Thank you.
Checking the body.
I'm not getting anything.
I'm getting something.
Did you add the app.use express.json?
Yeah. Yeah, I did. Express.json up here, and then I added the post here. Am I missing something?
It should
You're not
work.
sending anything in Postman. Go back to Postman. Over
you're
there in the body, you gotta type something.
Oh, here I have to type something?
No, right. Go back over there. Right. The request does not have a body. You see that kind of placeholder? Yeah, over there. You gotta put something. Change that none. You see right above that box, there's this drop down that the value is none right now.
Yeah,
put that on raw. And then type something there.
Yeah, type there. That's it there. Yeah.
Am I typing this thing?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so use. Okay, so.
I gotta put on another screen.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to separate this like this. So. Content. This is true. Okay, make sure everything's good. Yes. Okay, and am I now sending this?
Yes. You gotta send.
Okay, I sent something. The application should it print in the terminal? Huh, why is it posting this here? Is this supposed to be raw too?
Would you change that raw to JSON? You remember that non-Navi changed to raw? Okay, no.
You saying about this?
No, not that one. You see by the raw there is text. There's another JSON.
Oh, okay.
this-
Okay, now it's... Ah, there it is.
Yeah, what that does is basically adding a header to the request. If you on Postman, you see that headers tab right by the body that is selected right now.
Yes.
Yes, over there it sends it in the request. It's not showing it here, but it adds a content type application JSON, and then that's how body parser of Express detects that it's a JSON and attempts to parse it. Without it, it doesn't know it's a JSON and will not actually attempts to parse it. That's why it comes undefined and you get an empty array.
Okay.
Yeah.
Empty array or empty object?
You're what? I'm sorry. Yeah.
Did you say empty array or empty object? Which one was it?
I'm not sure which one was sending. It was sending an empty object, right?
Oh, yeah, an object.
Yeah, I was sending an empty object, yeah.
And that's without the body parser, right? The express.use body parser. And if we use the body parser, now we can see it.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, that's right. Although, like, the request itself should also carry content type equal application JSON so that the body parser picks it up.
Okay.
Okay.
You don't need to add it here, but if you get the kind of the curl command from Postman, you will see this there. There is a way to export the curl command of a request from Postman. I forgot where was it.
Okay.
No idea.
I have no idea either.
Yeah, we can skip that detail.
Okay. Did you get that?
It's not showing the. It's not showing it on the terminal. Look.
Is it empty? Is it showing like this empty?
Are you sure you're placing your body parser on the very top?
Are you sure you even trying?
Alright, so this is
your
the thing.
Use is in the correct position.
Yeah, it should be on the top with the variables.
All the way at the top here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh.
That needs to be before any handler. Like any .post, .get, .delete.
That's probably why. So up here.
And that was correct. Like, okay, I think it needs to be defined.
Nah, I put it after the app.
After app.
Not after the app.
Remember,
wait, after
JavaScript
where?
is app.
After app, right there.
Oh, right here.
Yeah.
JavaScript is linear, so it's gonna read from top to bottom.
Yeah, I gotta.
There we go.
Okay.
And then let me send. Still not doing it.
What's going on here?
It might be, well, we have to share your, okay, you have the raw JSON on the body.
You're missing a comma.
Yeah, you're missing a comma after the API string.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's what the important had a squiggly.
There you go.
And so, what am I looking at?
Also, why does yours look like that? Why does his body look like that?
It didn't detect that the endpoint exists.
That's the thing, yeah.
JS?
Oh yeah, yeah. Change the HTML to JSON. Yes.
Oh yeah, yeah.
No, that would have helped. Check your index.js and see if you're defined the endpoint actually.
Oh yeah, you have an endpoint. You have that uncheck that breakpoint. See if that's
What the heck?
Yeah, see
Hold
if
on.
Hold down.
Do you have the post defined?
Yeah, did you put the post? Okay, you have it.
Right here?
Yeah, he has it.
Yeah.
Try sending and change the HTML to JSON. You're on. I don't know if that's.
Oh, I think it changed it on its own.
Yeah, that's on the response. It detects and changes it in its own.
But why does this thing look like that?
Try restarting your server.
Do that. The
Send it.
JSON. We'll send. And up close.
That is so weird. Did you add anything? Is that all
Nah.
that's in there?
Yeah.
What? That's crazy.
That's weird.
That should work.
Yeah.
This works.
Now you're doing that and the get, so it's not gonna do anything. It has to be post, but
Scroll up again. Click on your index. So you have your app.use. Okay. Oh.
try it again. Can you send one more time? No, of course not. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, I don't think.
Facing
It's
is
just like an aesthetic, yeah.
Let's see.
That is so weird.
It looks fine. It's just the body looks weird. I don't know why it's showing that.
Well, I'm not getting anything, but like it's not sending anything back.
Yeah, you're supposed
terminal.
to be getting something from the terminal.
Let's see.
What the heck? What did you do, Lou?
I didn't do anything.
What did you mess up? Yo, can you
Let me see your index. Can you scroll down again? Like, did you? Maybe it's the order of everything.
Can you minimize unnecessary stuff like the notes? Like, go to line 8. Go to line 8.
Okay.
And then look at there's like on the left, next to the number 8.
Yeah, you have
minimize
another
that.
breakpoint.
No, minimize
No.
that. Minimize that. The arrow. Yeah. Then the comments too. Minimize the comments. Okay, finally. More visible.
I forgot you could do that.
You have to show us the post again.
Yeah.
This is where the issue is.
Right here.
Response, note, post, request, response, note.
Oops, hold on.
Is it note or notes?
It's a note.
No, right? Okay. Good.
Yes, no.
What?
I don't understand why it's...
The endpoint should also be notes, right? Or is it note?
Yeah.
It's note.
Note?
Yeah.
With an S or not? No S.
Wait, we're talking about what?
You're talking about the URL, right?
The URL is notes. Oh, the URL is notes.
It's notes with an S.
With
yeah.
an S. Yes, the URL is notes.
Jesus.
I
You gotta
thought
be careful.
Yeah.
Request.body is correct. Is it request or response? Which one is it? It's request, right? Because it says
It's request, yeah.
Yeah, request, response.
Those notes. That is so weird.
Can you quickly refresh your
404
Postman?
not found.
Try requesting Postman and doing it again.
Can you refresh your Postman?
Yeah. That.
Do the same thing. Make sure you change it to post.
Bro, what's going on?
What the f is going on? Alright. Where's my thing? Oh, right here.
Okay, do the thing again.
Let's see right here.
Make sure you take out that one.
What the heck? Okay.
Did you add anything?
No. Just put the URL.
You're on get.
wait,
Put it on
you're
post.
Get.
You're on get.
Oh, post.
And
But it doesn't matter because wait, his get is also not working. Can you go get?
Yeah, it says
Oh,
404 not found.
is it because, dude? Is it because you're using the browser and not the app?
What do you mean?
No.
Do you have the Postman app up on? Like the whatever you call it, the one you download?
Agent.
Did you download the agent?
But this
Oh,
is
the agent. Yeah, but it doesn't show it.
See that update right there? The update down in your bottom right.
Bottom right.
All right, see that arrow? That little arrow? Like keep going left a little bit. Yeah, see that little arrow, the up arrow?
Oh well, this has nothing to do with it.
Oh no, the up arrow. I know that's one of those updates.
Oh, the up arrow.
All right, yeah, you have it on.
Yeah.
Okay, so I just wanted to make sure you had it on.
Okay. Yeah. You can't like open it. It's like in the background, I guess.
But wait, he's also.
But my site isn't working now.
No, cannot get API notes. I mean, it's working. It's not a 4. Wait, it's on the 404. Your get is also 404.
Right. Look. This is what it's showing me here.
Okay, it's not a 404.
What's your get or your whatever? Your index.
Your Postman is still on get.
So there's an issue with get, I think.
I think the trailing forward slash. You see the trailing forward slash after notes?
Yeah.
Maybe take that out.
Take that out.
And put it back to post.
Put it back to post.
Oh yeah, post. I keep forgetting that.
We tried that.
I think we
Same
tried
thing.
that.
Yep.
Was your what was it we did before, right? Was it working?
My get on notes. My get on notes is giving me a 404.
Can you
Wait,
can you maybe change the get on this file to post and the get all note that you have and give it a try here?
Yep.
Although I doubt
right
that's
here.
the problem. Yeah, just send the request now.
Send the request. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Wait, did you not make a new REST file? You have to make a new REST file when you post.
Oh, for real? I have to make multiple ones?
Yes.
Really? I didn't make one.
No, they didn't get to that point yet.
Oh, they didn't get to that point yet. Never mind then. Then that's not the issue.
This is weird though, because now it's saying okay, but right here is.
It's something that Postman is doing.
Yeah.
Oh, because you didn't add the value still.
Yeah, you have no value, so you need to do the thing
Yeah,
that we were doing
body.
before. The body and raw thing.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
Body, raw.
Yeah.
And then you have
Type
to
in
type it in.
That is so weird.
Important.
And then.
Change it from text to
JSON.
JSON. It's
And what about here on the body?
That one doesn't matter. That's on the
Oh, it doesn't matter.
response. No, that
Got
doesn't
it.
matter.
But send it. Try to send
Try
it.
it out.
Huh? That is so weird.
Still nothing?
Send
What?
Maybe it's Postman acting up.
I don't think you have get. That's why. Can't you do? Oh, they haven't gotten to that point, so it doesn't really matter.
Do I have to make another file for get here and get on notes? In the request?
Can you do get? Can you change that to get?
Just do get for now.
Yeah, just do get for now.
Okay.
And then what do you get when you do the beat?
That's right. Let me send the request. This
Okay,
is
so you're still getting
404.
Wait, before that, can you kind of get rid of the space between the HTTP? Because I remember there was like an issue with spacing in the rest file.
Oops.
Yep. Try it again. Okay, it's still the same.
Yeah,
thing.
he's still getting 404.
Can I see your get like in your index?
Yeah,
Yes.
there is no endpoint with that
Yeah,
address for gets. That's why it's returning 404.
Do you, maybe
Yeah,
you
because
have
I'm
double
getting 404 on my end, so I don't think it stopped either.
What the heck is going on here?
Not your package.
No, I know,
Yeah.
I know. It was just being weird.
Okay. So go to get. Where's your get?
So here.
Over there.
Okay.
Wait, why is your get API node / ID? Is that
Because that's to
Wait.
look for the ID, right?
No,
I don't
that's
see what's
supposed
the
to be
issue.
there.
that's not supposed to be? Oh, that's supposed to be there. Wait,
I have it.
let me look at my.
He has
But
it.
in the request we are sending, we are not specifying an ID, and that's why it's not matching this path, and it's just
Yeah.
404.
Where's the in the request right here?
And the get all node rest, and the rest file that you have.
Can you go? Do you have get /API /notes without the ID?
No, on my end, I don't know. Maybe we haven't gotten to that point, but I have the ID on mine. Get.
Because you need like you need an app.get until the notes, and you need to have response.json inside that.
Yeah.
You're missing that part.
You need just a regular like
Just a regular
home
one.
slash, and then the one with the API and notes.
Yeah, so you're missing 2 get endpoints as well.
Yeah, let me send it to you, Lewis.
Okay.
Yeah, he's missing two get to get request.
See that.
But wait, why is Zona's working?
That's what I'm saying. We have the same code, and mine is working.
Zona was testing a post request, and that exists.
That exists. Can you go up? Wait. Yes, Zona also doesn't have get. What?
Yeah, but Zona was not testing the get.
Oh, that's true. She's been testing the post.
Yeah, she was testing the post.
Well, so her
And
post.
then in his get request, if you go to that not Postman, the other one, get all requests under the requests folder.
Okay.
Open that file. Get all notes.rest.
Wait.
Are you talking for me or for him?
For him.
Okay, sorry.
You said okay. So you said I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
open
Say that
that.
again.
Open that get all notes.rest.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
Okay.
then at the end of that, you see the get HTTP. At the end of that, you need to specify an ID. You don't have that.
Okay. Let's see.
ID.
/1 for
I.
example.
Oh, okay. 1. Yeah, yeah.
And then send the request. It's a 200.
Wow.
That's 1.
Is he doing it?
Yes, he's doing it. The problem roots in something that Postman is doing. That's what confuses us right now. And that's
It's
why I
working
asked,
now. Should
to
be
do
working
this.
now.
Yeah, your code is fine. It's Postman.
Send your post.
No, not on the post. On the post, you don't need. You shouldn't specify the ID.
Okay. Oh. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
and you're testing without the trailing slash.
Check out the last.
Take out the slash.
Open your
That
headers.
doesn't work.
Open your head.
Headers.
And then you see that 9 hidden. Can you open those? Let me quickly
Yes.
check that. Encoding content type.
Content type is checked, so it should work.
Yeah. Yeah, Postman. I'm feeling Postman is calling some other server than what you have actually running.
Okay.
That's
Because
what I
wasn't
think.
his Postman open before we changed to the Ubuntu thing?
Yeah, it was.
Would that matter? Oh.
No, it shouldn't.
No, it shouldn't matter because it's working here on like the actual like site. Oh, actually, no, not. When you don't specify an ID, it's saying cannot get API /API/nodes. If you look right here, like on the regular, look at the.
A browser, that's by default a GET request. When you're typing a URL in a browser, that's the verb is get by default.
Can I see your index? HTML?
Yeah.
There. Put on like big.
Yeah, hold on. I don't know why this thing is being weird like that.
Yeah, just make the whole screen big, like the whole view.
Oh.
All right. So let's see how many gets you have. You have 3 gets. Go down. Keep going down. You have a delete.
We got like 3 of them. I guess let's have 3 gets.
Well, the 2 is what Jason sent me. These 2 right here.
And you still need those paths.
Right. These are paths. So it's like, I don't think that should be a problem.
That's weird. That's not working. I'm looking at my code when I did it.
If you make the call through the REST extension of VS Code, it will work. It's just Postman that is not working.
Yeah,
so maybe
Postman.
Yeah, maybe create another REST file, like under the request folder.
Yeah, delete that file and then try it again.
Just add another one.
Okay.
Because post note, name it that, post_notes.
You said post?
Yeah. There we go. Now try. This will return a 200. Yes. Yeah, it's something happening in Postman. I don't think you should spend too much time on it.
Okay.
Because your call is working, but if you want to also pass the body, you see how you define the body in Postman?
Yeah.
Over here, if you want to define a body, what you gotta do is go to the next line.
Oh, it shows. There's gonna be instructions for that later.
Okay.
Cool.
Alright, so
I guess the issue was the Postman. So you just go down because it's gonna tell it to do the same thing in REST.
Okay.
Cool.
Okay, so we're going to continue. So it says, keep the terminal running, the application visible at all times when you are working on the back end. Thanks to NodeMod, any changes we make on the code will restart the application. If you pay attention to the console, you will immediately be able to pick up on errors that occur in the application. Okay. So it says, similarly, it is useful to check the console for making sure that the backend behaves like we expect it to in different situations. Like when we send data with an HTTP post request, naturally it is a good idea to add lots of console log commands to the code while the application is still being developed. A potential cause for issues is an incorrectly set content type header in request. This can happen with Postman if the type of body is not defined correctly. So I guess he's just like Postman debugging, I guess.
It's referring to that text that we changed to JSON.
Yeah, we changed it to JSON, right? Yeah. Okay, and content type header is set to text/plain. The server appears to only receive an empty object. Oh, that's what was happening with me, I think, in the beginning. The server will not be able to parse the data correctly without the correct value in the header. It won't even try to guess the format of the data since there's a massive amount of potential content types. If you are using VS Code, then you should install the REST client from the previous chapter now if you haven't already. The Postman request can be sent with the REST client like this. And we did that. We created a new create note.rest file for the request. The request is formatted according to the instructions and the documentation. One benefit that the REST client has over Postman is that the requests are handedly available at the root of the project repository, and they can be distributed to everyone in the development team. You can also add multiple requests in the same file using hashtag, 3 hashtag separators. Okay. So I guess this is something to add to the Postman, I guess.
No, that's in your REST file, and you can either do it in one file or you can do it in separate files. I did it in separate files, but if you want to do it in the same file, you have to do the triple hashtag.
Oh, so
yeah, I just have to add that. But you have to be careful of spacing because spacing really matters. Yeah.
Okay. I think it's
spacing
good.
or like enter spaces, whatever it is. Well,
maybe I'll do it separate. I think maybe that'll make it easier. I'll do like post.
Oh, it has to be REST. Oh, okay.
Oh, sorry. Yes. And then, if that's the case, then I don't need the 3 hashtag.
Nope,
okay.
I don't think so.
Okay. Okay. Send request. You get 200. Okay.
Yeah, I'm getting a 200 too, so.
Okay. Good.
Nice.
All right, cool.
That's good.
Perfect. All right, moving on. Postman also allows users to save requests. I don't know if we need to continue with the Postman. Should I read the Postman stuff? Allows users to save requests, but the situation can get quite chaotic, especially when you're working on multiple unrelated projects. Important side note. Sometimes when you're debugging, you may want to find out what headers have been set in the HTTP request. One way of accomplishing this is through the get method of the request object that can be used for getting the value of a single header. The request object also has headers property that contains all the headers of a specific request. Problems can occur with the VS REST client if you accidentally add an empty line between the top row and the row specifying the HTTP headers. In this situation, the REST client interprets this to mean that all headers are left empty, which leads to the backend server not knowing the data it has received is in the JSON format. You will be able to spot this missing content type header if at some point in your code you print all the request headers with the console log request.headers command. Let's return to the application. Once we know that the application receives data correctly, it's time to finalize the handling of the request. Okay, so I'm gonna add this to the post. So is this a second one, or we're updating? I think we're updating.
It's updating it. Yeah.
So we're updating. Okay, let me do this. Okay, I see what it's doing. So we're adding this first, and then we're keeping the constant note equals request body. And then we're adding note dot ID equals max ID plus 1. We're After that, we're getting notes equals notes dot concat notes, and then we're still keeping the response JSON note. Okay. Once we have that, we need a unique ID for the note. First, we need to find out the largest ID number in the current list and assign it to the max ID variable. The ID of the new note is then defined as max ID plus 1. This method is in fact not recommended, but you will live with it for now as we will replace it soon enough. The current version still has a problem that the HTTP post request can be used to add objects with arbitrary properties. Let's improve the application by defining that the content property may not be empty. The important and date properties will be given default values. All other properties are discarded. Okay. So we are adding go ahead.
Const generate ID is gonna go above post. From what I'm seeing.
Yeah, it is. So this is giving each node a unique ID.
Well, the const generate ID function or our function doesn't really matter where it goes because it's a function, and functions have their own place that you can access to any time.
Okay.
So it doesn't matter where you post it, but good practice is it should be on the top, but whatever, really.
All right, see you later, Saber.
See y'all later.
See you, Saber.
Bye, Saber.
Take care, Saber.
Thank you so much for your help.
Thanks again for the help. Yeah.
Anytime.
Appreciate
Thanks
you.
for having me.
No
Bye-bye.
problem. Bye. Have a good one. He was good help.
Yeah, because he's been developing for 15 years.
Oh, I didn't know that.
you know he hacks.
You know, you said
he hacked me.
No.
Yeah, he works in Web3 now and stuff, and he's like.
Oh, you know him.
Yeah, he's like the vice president of like his company at the moment.
Dang.
Okay. Oh, he's here chilling with us.
I know. So.
Crazy.
That's
Wait,
cool.
he's what?
He's a vice president of his company.
What the heck?
That is so
You're looking
cool.
like a bozo.
Oh my god. Well, anyways, thank you, Saber, for your help.
You're welcome.
Not you, you know.
Okay, and so the app post, all of that gets
well, no,
replaced.
thank you. All right, so
So this whole app post, it gets replaced.
let me see.
This whole app post gets replaced, so you get rid of the function. You get rid of the.
I mean, we're keeping some lines, but we're keeping like the notes, the concat, and the response
Yeah.
JSON in the bottom.
Yeah.
But everything else is getting changed.
Only thing you're changing is the max ID is just outside now, and instead of like it being limited to its scope, it's now able to be accessed by anything other than the post.
Let me. Oh.
It looks so pretty. Yeah.
Alright, we're almost done.
Looks so pretty.
We just need 2 more. We need about and middleware. So you don't have to do the exercise.
This thing is
No,
so
apparently
long.
This is the last part.
Is it?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Middle part is the reading.
All right.
What, the receiving data?
Yeah, the receiving data is the last part.
Oh, okay.
This
Better.
is taking forever.
And we're almost done with it.
Yeah, but this is a big chunk, so
Yeah.
it's really difficult.
Yeah, this is a big chunk. Oh wait, I'm missing this thing here. Whoopsies. Let me take out this, or let me comment this console logout. Okay. All right, ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, the logic for generating the new ID number for notes has been extracted into a separate generate ID function. If the received data is missing a value for the content property, the server will respond to the request with the same status for 100 bad request. Okay, so that's what the whole response status 400. That's what that's doing. Okay. Notice that calling return is crucial because otherwise the code will execute to the very end and the malformed note gets saved to the application. If the content property has a value, the note will be based on the received data. As mentioned previously, it is better to generate timestamps on the server than in the browser, since we can't trust the host machine running the browser has a clock set correctly. The generation of the date property is now done by the server. If the important property is missing, we will default the value to false. The default value is currently generated in a rather odd looking way. Important body, and then that code. Important body dot important is or false. I believe that's how that's read. Is that somewhere here?
Which one?
This line, this important body.
Yes, it's down.
Okay, I
down,
see it.
yeah.
I see it. It's in the notes. Okay. If the data saved in the body variable has an important property, the expression will evaluate to its value. If the property does not exist, then the expression will evaluate to false, which is defined on the right-hand side of the vertical lines. To be exact, when the important property is false, then the body.important or false expression will in fact return the false from the right-hand side. You can find the code for our current application in its entirety in part 3-1 branch of the GitHub repository. The code for the current state of the application is specifically in branch part 3-1. If you clone the project, run the npm install command before starting the application with npm start. Okay, so, and then one more thing before we move on to exercises. The function for generating IDs looks currently like this. Yeah, that's what we added, right? That's what it looks like. The function body contains a row that looks a bit intriguing. Math.max and the ... notes.map and arrow function and .id. What exactly is happening in that line of code? Notes.map and then that line creates a new array that contains all the IDs of the notes. Math.max returns the maximum value of numbers that are passed to it. However, notes.map and then n arrow function and .id is an array, so it can't directly be given as a parameter to math.max. The array can be transformed into individual numbers by using the 3-dot spread syntax. Ah, interesting.
And that's it.
That's it?
That's it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. Dang.
That's it.
Hey, we did it. We made it. Oh
We
my
made
God.
it.
Nigga, we made it.
That was long. Whew. Ooh, that was a session, man. But, yeah, that was cool. I'm glad Saber was here to help with further explanation.
Yeah, there. Alright, let's play some OW
Hold on, I need to end the stream.
now.
I'm gonna call Herman.
Excuse me.
Ow.
I'm going to go.
Right now.
All right, I'm gonna go and push to talk. Sorry, you guys, for that. But okay, cool. So that was the end of. Wow, that was the end of our CRUD app. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate everyone who came by. Shout out to Fatima. Shout out to Parker. Shout out to John. Shout out to everyone who tuned in. Thank you so much for your support. I really, really appreciate it. Yeah, that's a lot. My brain is fried right now. So I'm gonna go do some gaming. I won't do it on stream, but we will be streaming gaming tomorrow. Oh wait. Yeah, I'm gonna stream. Yeah, we're gonna stream in gaming. I think the time might change for tomorrow because we have. I think we're gonna change the time. I'll let you guys know. Follow me on Twitter if you haven't, or you're on my Discord. But yeah, I'm going to go. Love you guys so much. Tribe, you are the best, and have a great, 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 great night. See you guys. Okay.